series. And this is the last model where I'm gonna show you how to create your opt-in forms. Okay, by now, so in the last model we talked about this, and here to come, so where you should come to get your code is on the mailing lists, and then you click get the form code. Okay, so we will be doing this in this video anyways, but I thought I just bring this up to make sure you don't get lost here. Now, let's build our opt-in forms. So to build opt-in forms, I'm using a program or a plugin called Hybrid Connect. Okay, and obviously, you know, I have looked what was available out there when I was looking to set up my own database and take care of my own database instead of having this listed somewhere else. This is obviously the best I have found so far. And, you know, if you buy it, it's yours and it's all under your domain as well. Now, as you can see at the first glance, what you can see the shortcode designs, widget design, lightbox slide-ins, designs, and squeeze pages. So squeeze pages is actually just like the name says, okay? You create everything under your WordPress content management system, okay? So if I show you one I got already here set up, you can see here when I created using Hybrid Connect. Now, you see a lot of white space because I'm using a 32-inch screen here, but usually people have about a 22-inch or less screen. So, you know, ignore the white space. But this is how opt-in forms can look like, and you can customize all of that. Now, I'm not going to go over all this because you have all the videos here. All you need to know about how to design your opt-in forms and everything is all already here. Okay, so basically all you need to do is follow the videos from Hybrid Connect to get there. So basically all we need to do here, what I'm going to show you here, so we can add a new code, is basically, you can see I created my first connector and I call it RC Helicopter Setup. So once we install Hybrid Connect for the first time, you're going to have a pre-set up connector already. So to do this, all you need to do is basically rename the connector, okay? Or simply delete it and create a new one. Now, to create a new connector, all you do is create add new connector. And in this case, we're going to rename the second one as RC Cars. Okay, so basically I got to use this connector to put on a page where only people that are interested to RC Cars are going to be subscribing to this list. Okay. Now we can choose here to the hybrid or Facebook only or form only. Now in this case, in this website, I'm not using Facebook signups, it's only form only. But if you set up your Facebook app, which this video shows exactly how to do that, you basically can choose the Hybrid Connect and the system automatically recognize when people are logged into Facebook, and they can just use the Facebook login to access your website. You can also allow registration to the blog when people register. That's entirely up to you if you want to use it or not. Some sites I use it, some sites I don't. It depends what I'm doing. A registration rule, you can change this by, we'll leave this as a subscriber, okay? And click Save Connector. So there you go. So now I have a second connector, and all I need to do now to get this connector to work is to go get my mailing list code, okay, which will be down here for RC Cars. So I'm just gonna go here, mailing list, under my RC Cars list, which is this one here. I just click get code and copy everything from script all the way down to form. So copy all that. Go back to Hybrid Connect. Now custom code, where it says connect, you click that, this opens. Inside of this box, just right click, paste. And here we don't need to do anything because this is all pre-set up in the autoresponder. We did this before. We just click submit. Okay, there you go. So this code, this connector is now ready to use, and all I need to do is copy this shortcode and paste it on a page for RC Cars, and everyone that signs in through that page goes into the list for RC Cars. Now you can see I can also activate the page footer by simply click on it. Again, I'm not going to go over this too much because you got all the videos you need here for this. You just need to follow those videos. Editing the shortcode, so I'm just going to show you here the opt-in forms. As you can see, this is the opt-in form that is there right now. Up here at the top you can toggle full screen mode. Okay, basically all it does, it closes that for you to see more of the screen. Uh, Here is just this video. You see this in any, almost in any widget. You're gonna see this video is telling you the three connect the states explained. So basically, click there, you can watch this video. Is under 60-second video there, and there is another video to show you how to use the hybrid connector. Okay, so basically, got videos for everything here. Now you can customize everything like I said before. You can choose the form. So I'm gonna pick this form here because this is my favorite. Okay, but you could pick any other the forms that are available here, and I can also customize them. Okay, but for now I'm gonna save this one. I can edit the test there. The test is fine as it is, so I'm just gonna leave everything as it is. But we can edit all the tests. So basically, all you wanna do is go in as soon as you get your hybrid connect. You can see I can edit everything. And basically, you know, it's very easy to use, but like everything else, it has a little learning curve that you need to get used to. Okay, so it's not that complicated to use. Then customize. So here we can customize, make the template responsive for mobile phones. If you click there, so you can see the template just simple shrinks if people watching on mobile devices, or if they're watching a computer, then it basically expands himself automatically. In this one, I'm not going to use responsive template for now. Next one we can do, again, you can see you have more features here. Okay, you can change anything. Okay, basically anything. You just click on a plus sign, everything. You can use this to move the editor. Images. So basically images, let's go to another. I'm going to save this one. And now we're going to go to let's go to the widget design. So the widget design will be what appears on the left or the right of your website. Okay, or if your website has those features, you can actually put in the top and bottom as well of the website, header and footer. So if I click here, you can see, and I'm gonna choose here a different template here just to change the image, so you can see how easy it is to change the image. So I'm gonna use this one here. Okay, for this case, and I'm gonna change the image of the book to an RC helicopter. So you can see here, show picture, hide picture. So upload, and basically all you do is you find the picture on your media, on your WordPress. So in this case, I don't have a picture that is actually fit for purpose, but I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna copy this link here. Okay, close that and paste this link here. And click save. Now if I go back to edit the template, have it back to the right one, let's see. No, I didn't went back to the right one. I'm clicking on the first connector. We did in the car connector here. Okay, you can see the helicopter is there, so I just need to kind of resize the image. Okay, as you can see, I customized this form already in the helicopter. If it was for the helicopter, but actually I would need a car there to get this form to work. So I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna copy this shortcode here. Go to a page here. And you can see I already got the helicopter one there. But let's go here to the car section. Just click edit. Pick a page here first. Okay, now we click edit here. Okay, and I'm gonna put the connector just below the H1 tag there. Click update. Now if I view post, Now you can see I have two forms. So this is the default form for the whole website, and this is the form for the RC helicopters. You can see that I didn't change the text on this one, so you can see the same one. Now if I want to add the widget where we just added the helicopter image, all I'm gonna do is go to widgets, find my Hybrid Connect, there it is, put it there. I'm just gonna put it on the top here. And now it's gonna look, because we choose a different form here, but there it goes. So it shows the same form. Okay, you can see it shows the same form because I forgot to. Let's go back to widgets and change that to a different list, to a different connector. RC cars. Okay, save that. Go back. And there it goes. You can see the form is there. Obviously it's a bit wider than what we wanted to, but it's just to give an idea. But you know, just to stop confusion, let's change the shape of that connector. So I'm just gonna go to Hybrid Connect, and now is the widget connector. I'm gonna change this to this one here. Okay, change the image. So the image is already there. So I'm just gonna click Save Changes, just to make sure the changes have been made. He hasn't get the picture for the helicopter again. And there you go. Okay, so basically all I need to do is see the pictures to be popping out of the connector a little bit, but again I already showed you that we can go back to widgets, Hybrid Connect, edit widget, and now under the image here, just gonna pull the image down a bit so it's inside. The connector. Click Save Sessions, and there you go. So basically, like everything, I'm doing something here because you can see this video is already 13 minutes, but just to show you that you can customize everything. So basically, the people that sign up on this top form here goes to my RC helicopter list. The people that sign up on this widget, if I was to leave this one here, then they would be signing up to the RC cars list. Okay, so there it goes. This is this video for now, and please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.